If your photos feel inconsistent, one photographer nails a shot with the perfect guest and background placement, but others miss the mark, your inconsistency is damaging your brand reputation, guest satisfaction, and your revenue potential. Great photos shouldn't be guesswork. When your team lacks a clear visual standard, they're left to figure it out on their own. And that leads to missed opportunities, awkward posing, and photos guests just don't want to purchase. I'm Jeff Secrease with Souvenir Photography Advisors, and in this video, I'll show you how we help fix that with our Guest Success Shot Framework. This is a structured visual guide that brings consistency, emotional impact, and sales performance to every guest interaction. So, before we get too far, here's some things you might be noticing in your location and see if this hits close to home. One family walks away with 4 amazing photos. Iconic background, perfect composition, big smiles. But the next group, the photo's crooked, the icon in the background's off center, and there's a lot of unwanted background items. You notice some photographers consistently deliver, while others fall short. Purchase rates may vary per shift or photographer. Team members improvise, guess, and hope it works out. You're not seeing laziness, you're seeing a lack of structure. And when photographers don't know what great looks like or how to repeat it, every shot becomes a gamble. And that inconsistency is costing you guest trust, team confidence, and repeat purchases. Now, I've seen this firsthand over and over and over. While working with a photo team at a major Orlando theme park, originally they captured 1 or 2 quick shots per group guest. Now, this was fast and forgettable, so we implemented a structured 5-shot sequence instead. We started with a full group in front of the icon. They broke it down: parents only, kids only, a candid fun shot, a branded magic shot, and the whole family together. The entire process takes about 90 seconds and delivered 5 emotionally diverse, high-value images guests can't recreate on their own. The result? Guest satisfaction went up, per capita revenue climbed, and team confidence skyrocketed because now they had a plan. That's what this framework does. It turns talent and effort into repeatable, high-impact results. And when your guests see thoughtfulness in every shot, they see what you want to hear. They say, that was totally worth it. So here's one quick win you can start implementing right now. I want you to create a visual framework for success. Don't just tell your photographers what to do, show them. Use real guest examples to build a reference guide for each location. Show where to stand, what the background should include, where to place families, and what emotional outcomes you're going for. Then mount those visuals where your team preps. Use them daily, not just in a training session. Because when your team knows exactly what great looks like, then they can deliver it more consistently. So, what is the service we're talking about? The Guest Success Shot Framework is a custom-built visual guide we create on-site with your team. This is not a theory, it's not a slide deck, it's a real-world system built for real guest sessions at your attraction. What we do is we observe your current photo flow, your guest traffic patterns, and we help capture winning photo examples in those real locations. We obtain internal use model releases and document clear positioning, background, and framing guidance for every scenario. What you're going to get is a field-tested, attraction-specific visual guide your team can use and follow every day that's specific for your attraction and your guest. It removes all the guesswork, removes wasted shots, and all you get is just repeated success moving forward. So here's how it comes together. Step 1, we visit your attraction and observe how guest photography is currently handled at each location. Step 2, we coach your team while capturing real guest interactions, helping to build a visual catalog of ideal shots. Step 3, we gather model releases and create your official framework, customized to your brand, location, and your gear. Step 4, we train key leaders and frontline team members on how to use the system, coach others, and embed it into your daily routines. Step 5, we help you determine the best places to post this reference for the framework so it stays visible and top of mind. This is not a training binder that sits on a shelf. It's a live, usable tool that builds habits and drives better results every single day. So this service is built for attractions that maybe have inconsistent posing and composition across multiple photographers and locations. They might struggle with onboarding new team members quickly. They may just want to improve their photo quality results without relying on just talent. Or they need a scalable visual way to drive guest satisfaction and photo sales. If your photo sales are hit or miss, this is how you fix it at scale with confidence. So, if your photo team is still guessing, you are still gambling every day with your results. The Guest Success Shop framework helps you eliminate inconsistency and raise quality and create photos that feel intentional, emotional, and worth purchasing. Click the link in the video description to schedule your discovery call, or use the blue Schedule My Discovery Call button on the top of this page. We'll help your team define success, train to deliver it, and stop losing revenue to poor framing, bad composition, and unclear expectations. Thank you for watching, and stay guest focused.